Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making banana split. First thing we're going to need here is some hot fudge sauce. So we're going to get a saucepan and equal quantities dark brown sugar, double cream and butter. Get that onto a medium heat. That's all going to melt down. You're just going to keep stirring that, get it all lovely and smooth until all of that sugar's dissolved and the butters melt. And you'll see that starts to turn it into a lovely hot fudge sauce. You can also add some chocolate chips to it or bits of chocolate and make it into a chocolate hot fudge sauce. But it's the easiest thing in the world, and all you need to know is it's equal quantities. That was 25 grams of each. But that is basically, look at that. And a lot, you let it cool and it starts to get thicker and thicker. So that's a hot fudge sauce. Now we're going to get some nice whipped cream. So you're going to take some whipping cream and get a whisk in there. Give that a really good whisk around. You're going to whisk this until it starts to get stiff, but you don't want it to go over the top and whisk. So you'll see that after this first one, watch, it's firm, but give it, you can see it's kind of wobbling all over the place. It's going to end up a little bit sloppy. So just whisk that a little bit longer, just until, look at this, sort of nice. It's firm, but it's still lovely and light. We're going to put that into a piping bag with a thick nozzle on there. Any nozzle's going to do, to be fair to you, but this is a nice thick nozzle, so we're going to spoon the cream into the piping bag. Just like that, so there you go. So you get the cream in the bag, and then you're just going to knock the air out of it. Just make sure all that cream's down at the bottom, and then there you go, ready to go, ready to pipe some cream. So now we're going to take a banana, a few little fussy bits here. Make sure you've peeled all the outside off really nicely. Just chop off that little black tip, slice, put the knife into it just there, and then bring it down so you keep it all in one piece. So you split your banana into two. That's what's called a banana split, obviously. Use one of these special glass bowls. 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. You can make this however you like, with whatever fruit, whatever sauces. Leave some of the ingredients, add extra ingredients, whatever you want. I put this together because my mother was over and we went out, we had banana splits, and it was just terrible. I saw the look on her little face and I thought, can't have that. So before she went back, made her this, and she was over the moon. That's some chopped hazelnuts, and here we go. That's with the lovely hot fudge sauce. Come on, amazing. Absolutely delicious. Again, yeah, customize it, tailor it however you want, but just make it nice like that, make it simple. Serve the sauce, or serve some of that chocolate or fudge sauce on the side, because people want to go back to it more and more. But you keep it like that, nice and clean. It's an easy one to eat, looks the part. And that's it, banana split. Really hope you liked the video. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.